Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Hello guys. This is our new chapter Nay Tehzeeb written by the poet Akbar Ilahabadi. Okay. So in this poem the poet is referring to a time, to a culture when Indian will lose their tradition and they will follow the western culture. Okay, and he is saying there will be a time when Indian will not follow their culture and they will hate their tradition and they will blindly imitate western culture. Okay, towards that culture and towards that changes he is expressing in his poetry. It means he is predicting about that time. Okay, so let us come to the point. नई तहज़ीब मीन्स न्यू कल्चर. ओके, ये मौजूदा तरीक़े राही मुल्क आदम होंगे. ओ पीपल लिसन केयरफुली टू मी दैट दिस द करंट वे ऑफ करंट पाथ द करंट ट्रेडिशन द करंट culture will become traveler of or travel to the country of known. Means they will finish all the presently culture will finish completely, will destroy. Okay, नई तहजीब होगी और नए सामान बहम होंगे. देर विल बी ए न्यू कल्चर and new things will be available. Okay, means now we are looking musical instruments, mobile phone and other varieties of things, means jeans and trousers. Means in past times Indians were not wearing those clothes. Okay, and in this time Indian, whether a woman or man, both are wearing western dress, यूरोपियन ड्रेस. ओके, सो नई तहजीब होगी और नए सामान बहम होंगे. देर विल बी ए न्यू कल्चर एंड देर विल बी न्यू थिंग्स. देर विल बी न्यू थिंग्स. ओके, नए उन्वान से जीनत दिखाएंगे हंसी अपनी. ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज विल शो देयर ब्यूटी इन डिफरेंट टॉपिक. ओके, title. Okay, means beautiful ladies will show their beauty in new title. Okay, means reality show, beauty context. Hey, such names in such title they will show off their beauty. Beautiful ladies will show off their beauty in new title. Okay, न ऐसा पेच जुल्फ़ों में न गेसू में ये खम होंगे. सो देर विल नॉट इम्प्लीकेशन इन देयर हेयर्स एंड नोर देर विल बी फाल्केट एंड देर विल नॉट बी फाल्केट into their hairs. Means now Indian ladies are tying their hairs on her head, but in new culture they will not, means Indian women will not tie up their hairs. All their hairs will fall down from their head and it will be on her cheek and or on her face. ओके, न ऐसा पेच जुल्फ़ों में न गेसू में ये खम होंगे. देर विल बी नॉट टाई अप एंड इम्प्लीकेशन एंड फॉलकेट इनटू देयर हेयर्स. न खातूनों में रह जाएगी पर्दे की ये पाबंदी. इन पास्ट टाइम्स इंडियन वुमेन्स means women's of Eastern culture, means Indian culture, were covering their head, covering their face with a curtain. Means no other person could look her. Okay, but in that mostly most of women are showing their face. They are showing off their beauty of face. Okay, so the poet is saying that there will be a time when lady of that time will not be punctual, and they will not follow, and they will not regulate. They will not be they will not be regulation, means they will not follow the rules of curtain, means they will show off. Okay, they will show their beauty and their face in public. In past times, Indian and Eastern cultured women were hiding their face with a curtain. But in future, means poet is saying, in future there will be a time when ladies will show off their beauty. न घूंघट इस तरह से हाजिबे रुए सनम होंगे. In past times curtain was janitor of a beloved one's face. For okay, in past times, curtain was janitor of a face of lover, means a watchman. Okay, there was a watchman between lover and beloved one, means any lady was using curtain as a obstacle, as a watchman, means no other person could look her face in past times. But in future there will be a time when ladies will not cover their hair, their face with curtain, but they will show off. Okay, this is the meaning. So in this way, in this poem, poet is saying our tradition, our culture will completely finish, and there will be a new culture, Western culture. And now we are looking that बहुत होंगे मुगन्नी नगमे तकलीद यूरोप के. Okay, there will be many singers or singers there will be many singers who will sing to who will sing in the melody of imitation of Europe, means there will be many person who will encourage you to imitate European culture. मगर बेजोड़ होंगे इसलिए बेतालो सम होंगे. बट दे विल बी odd means unpaid, they will not joined unpaid, इसलिए बेतालो सम होंगे. Therefore they will be tuneless, means there will many people who will call you to choose European culture, Western culture. Okay, but they have no they will be disconnected, they will be odd, unpaired. Therefore there will be not any tune, they will be tuneless. बदल जाएगा मियार शराफत चश्म दुनिया में. Okay, class of honesty will change into the eyes of world. Okay, means this people of the world will compare, will mind class of anything from their eyes. Means in past times there was may I have class of honesty was pureness and purity and honorable and respected personality. So being respected and being honorable and being honest was a class of honesty. But in future the class of honesty will change into the eyes of people. ओके, ज़्यादा थे जो अपने ज़ाम में वो सबसे कम होंगे. ओके, हु वेर more in their opinion will be less that time, means who were more in past times will be less in future. Okay, means great peoples, honest peoples were people were many in past times, but in future those honest and pure honest people will be less. ओके हमारे इस्तिलाहों से ज़ुबान ना आशना होगी टंग्स ऑफ आवर जनरेशन विल नॉट बी अवेयर ऑफ आवर टर्म्स ओके tongues of our nations, our youngers will not be aware of our terms. Terms means istilah. लुगात मगरबी बाज़ार की भाका से जम होंगे देर विल बी लैंग्वेजेस दैट इज़ मिक्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न colloquial language western colloquial language okay means there will be many bad words and wrong negative words into our language taken from derived from western language from English language. Okay, because of that, our tongues means tongues of our new generation, youngers will not be aware of our terms because our language will be mixed of many Western colloquial languages. किसी को इस तगय्युर का न हिस होगा न हिस होगी न गम होगा nobody will feel changes of this will feel these changes and nobody will have pain and nobody will have feel of these changes means nobody could feel and nobody will show their pain for these changes हुए जिस साज से पैदा उसी के ज़ेर बम होंगे in which condition in which situation they have born will pass their life in the same situation in the same surrounding in the same condition okay means if anybody was born in a western culture so he would like to pass their life in western culture he will not accept eastern culture indian culture okay so our future generation will be born in western culture they will feel western culture is better and indian culture is eastern culture is wrong not better okay हुए जिस साज से पैदा साज मीन्स इंस्ट्रूमेंट हुए जिस साज से पैदा उसी के ज़ेर बम होंगे थ्रू विच in which situation they have born will pass their life under that situation तुम्हें इस इनकलाब दहर का क्या गम है ए अकबर ओ अकबर why are you afraid of and why are you feeling sorrow of that changes of era that revolution of era okay इनकलाब दहर मीन्स changes changing oh Akbar why are you afraid of that changes of era okay means oh Akbar you should not be fear of that era changes because बहुत नज़दीक हैं वो दिन कि तुम होगे न हम होंगे that day is very close when neither you will be nor I will be nor we will be okay so oh Akbar you should not aware or you should not afraid of that time changing okay that time changing because that day neither you will be nor we will be so this is not bad news for you but this is bad news for our future generation so we should they should aware of it and they should mind it not you